Hello guys, today we will talk about making predictions. We will start with a refresher. When you try to pick a book to read, you look at the cover and you try to guess what the story is about. When you try to do that, you are making predictions about the story. And that's what our lesson is about. Our lesson is about making predictions. When you make predictions, you are like a detective. You use clues in the story to help you predict. Thinking about what might happen is called making predictions. But why do good readers need to make predictions? Predictions help us think what the story is about. They help us make sense of a story. They help us get into the story. But predictions can be right and they can be wrong. So, a prediction is a guess using text or picture clues as to what is happening in the book. We make predictions before reading. We think about the title, the illustrations, and the pictures. We make predictions during reading. We stop and predict what will happen next. After reading, we confirm our predictions. We see if our predictions are right or wrong. How do I make predictions? First, use information that you already know. This is also called background information or prior knowledge. Second, use what the author is telling you. So, when you use information from the story and you use what you already know, you put the information together and you can make prediction. This is an example of how to make predictions before reading. We look at the pictures and title and we think about what's going to happen. The title is Charlotte's Web. We look at the picture and we try to predict what the story will be about. During reading, we ask ourselves, what will happen next? I wonder, what will it be? And we try to predict what will happen next. We tell ourselves, I will try to predict, and then I will read and see. Good readers try to make good guesses about what will happen next. When we make predictions, we might use the following sentences. I think that, I predict that, I think the main character will, and we make our predictions. Let's do some application. Read the following paragraph and predict what will happen next. After reading this paragraph, use what you already know and the clues that are found in this paragraph and try to predict what will happen next. This is our lesson about making predictions. Go over the notes again and stay safe.